Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to fix Zelle error M20. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. Now the first thing that you need to do is head over to your app store and then tap on search bar and type in Zelle, and then tap on the app and check to see if the app needs an update or not. Sometimes the older version also might be causing the issues that you are facing, so just simply updating the app to the latest version will fix the issue. But if that still doesn't fix the issue, then what you can do is head over to your settings app, and once you're inside your settings, scroll down and then tap on general, and then inside general tap on iPhone storage, and once you're inside your iPhone storage, scroll down and then locate Zelle app and then tap on it, and once you're inside you'll be seeing an upload app option. Simply tap on it, and what this does is it resets the app by clearing all the bugs and glitches that is present in the app which might be causing the issues that you are facing. And once that's done, all you gotta do is try again, and that's basically how you can do it. And that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if you did, comment down below what the next video should be on, consider subscribing to the channel. Thanks for watching, bye bye.